In July 27, 1997, Co-op NATCO Party List was founded in Isabela by the Board of Directors of National Confederation of Cooperatives following the passage of Republic Act 7941 or the Party List System Act. The founding cooperative leaders envisioned the party list as an opportunity to put forward the interests of the sector in the House of Representatives. Sa pinakaunang national party list election, Co-op NATCO was able to secure a seat in Congress. Simula noon hanggang sa kasalukuyan, Co-op NATCO party lists have been successful in representing the cooperative movement in every Congress, winning a seat through the support of Co-op members nationwide. Bunga nito ang patuloy na proteksyon ng tax exemptions and many more privileges on programs and services of the government na napapakinabangan ng cooperative sector through the Cooperative Code of the Philippines na ang author ay si Co-op NATCO Party List. Tama po ang narinig nyo, kaya tax exempted ang lahat ng kooperatiba dahil sa batas na Republic Act 9520 o Cooperative Code of the Philippines na ang primary author nito ay si Co-op NATCO Party List. Tax exemption sa net surplus, tax exemption sa dividendo ng bawat miyembro, tax exempted din ang interest sa savings deposit ng bawat miyembro ng ating kooperatiba, tax exempt din sa documentary stamp ang bawat loan transactions sa kooperatiba. Kaya tayo bumuboto ng Co-op NATCO Party List para maproteksyonan na mapanatili ang lahat ng ito laban sa gustong tanggalin ang ating tax privileges and preferences sa government programs and services. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng kooperatibang patuloy na sumusuporta sa Co-op NATCO Party List. Ang panalo ni Co-op NATCO ay panalo ng bawat miyembro. At present, Co-op NATCO Party List is anchored on three main agenda. Una, pagtatatag ng legislative and policy reforms para suportahan ang mga kooperatiba at mga marginalized sectors sa bansa. This 19th Congress, the party have approved the filing of 9 priority legislative measures that will strengthen the cooperative sector. 4 na sa ating mga priority bills ang aprobado sa Kongreso at na-transmit na sa Senado para sa counterpart bill. We laud the support of the cooperative leaders nationwide who voluntarily give their time and knowledge in the various occasions that Co-op NATCO Party List conducted the consultations for these priority measures to make sure na kung ano ang pangangailangan ng kooperatiba sa batas ay siyang maiaakda. Trinabaho ni Co-op NATCO Party List na maidaos ang Co-op Month Celebration sa loob mismo ng Palasyo ng Malacanang kasama ang presidente at mga cooperative leaders. Ito'y upang mapaabot sa present administration ang kakayahang makaambag sa nation building ng different cluster ng cooperatives. Pangalawa, paggamit ng government resources to promote cooperative development and address the concerns of the marginalized sectors. Co-op NATCO Party List assisted to resolve the issues and concerns of our cooperatives directly to the concerned agencies tulad ng DepEd, DAR, DA, Land Bank, DBP at BIR. Isama na rin natin dito ang DOTR, LTFRB at Land Transportation Office. Inilapit ni Co-op NATCO Party List ang programa ng gobyerno para maging abot kamay ng mga miyembro ng kooperatiba saan man sulok ng bansa na may pangangailangan sa pamamagitan ng DSWD Aid to Individual in Crisis Situation sa panahon ng sakuna o pagsubok sa pamumuhay ng mga kasamahan natin sa kooperatiba. Pinunduan din ni Co-op NATCO Party List ang mga hospital na inirekomenda ng mga local cooperative leaders gamit ang MAIP o Medical Assistance for Indigent Patient sa mga DOH-accredited hospital. Tulong pangkabuhayan naman ang pinunduhan ni Co-op NATCO Party List sa Department of Labor and Employment through the duly tupad. Mas pinalakas ni Co-op NATCO Party List ang kakayahan ng mga miyembro ng kooperatiba sa pamamagitan ng TESDA through the Special Training for Employment Program giving priority to cooperative members and their family. Sa Commission on Higher Education naman o CHED, through Tulong Dunong Program o CHED-TDP, priority ang mga anak ng miyembro ng kooperatiba sa slot allocation ni Co-op NATCO Party List. Pangatlo, strengthening the cooperatives and government partnership through collaborative efforts on implementing government programs and services. Co-op NATCO Party List dedication to touch base with the cooperatives at the grassroots is manifested through Congressman Imon Ispares' visibility during co-op visits and forum. In this dynamic encounter, issues and concerns will directly be referred to the agencies concerned. These have also guided our representative in his work in the halls of Congress. We are Co-op Not Co Party List, ang tinig ng kooperatiba.